Saving with Shay, and I'm here for another awesome video, and I appreciate you guys coming through for your girl. And so if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button and support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well so you never ever miss. So I need 15 offers for $5, which should be doable. I did do a few of them yesterday. And then we have a larger bonus that just popped up today, and for that I need 55 offers for $15. I feel like that should be relatively easy. The bonus is good until the 15th, so we have it for 2 weeks. I'm hoping I can knock it out with no problems. Couple things I wanted to mention with Shopkick. One of you guys posted a hack, right? A hack of sorts of how to get the PayPal on there. When you choose your gift card, I chose Walmart, and then once it sends you the notification code, then you enter that, and then you back out and change your card. And I changed it to PayPal, and it worked perfectly fine. With the sister apps, I did redeem today, so I'm going to let y'all know how that works out, if it goes through or not. I really hope it does, because you can't use no Walmart gift card. Well, I mean, I guess I could redeem for different stores, but I don't want to go through all that when I can just do PayPal and I can use it anywhere. And so I'll let y'all know what happens with that. What else? With the flings that I did in my last video for Target, I was using 2 different aisles offers, and I really was just curious to see how they were going to work. Like, were they going to play nice or were they not? And they're not. And so I submitted for the buy one, get it free offer first. That one went through. The BOGO offer didn't go through, and it said that the receipt was already used. And so I have to take back the strawberry one. But again, I just was curious to see how they were going to work out. And obviously they don't. The other thing I wanted to mention was somebody had shared on Instagram some extra bonuses, $2 bonuses. There are $6 in bonuses by just signing up. You want to go to bonuses on your Ibotta app, right? And then scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom. You're going to see a few items that say $2, and then you click that and you'll sign up through that link. And make sure that you are using the email address that's associated with your Ibotta account, and you'll get back $2. So I did that as well. And so other than that, you guys, look, listen, we about to go to Walmart, we about to go to Target, and we gonna go to freaking Sprouts. So grab a snack. And so other than that, we're gonna head over to Walmart first, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see your girl guy, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So listen, I have to mention this deal again because I did try these at the end of my last video. Pop them in the air fryer, and these are so freaking good. So just a reminder, this deal is still going on. It's on the Jimmy Dean chicken honey biscuits. Oh wait, I didn't try that one. Wait, which one did I get last time? I think I got the buttermilk one last time. Anyways, listen, so you're gonna buy 2 of these priced at $7.53. You'll pay $15.06, getting back 7 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then the offer on checkout 51 did reset for us, getting back $3.64 there for both of them, making these only $2.21 per box. Okay, of course I'm gonna do this deal again. It's on the Bush's sidekicks. These are so good, you guys. I tried them both. I've tried this one more often than this one. I don't know, like, it looks like a black bean, but when you like open the can, they're like really light. So I don't know if it's because of all the sauce and stuff they add to it. But these are priced at $1.62, getting back 77 cents on Ibotta. Makes them 85 cents per can. I might just get 5 again. Next deal is on the Dawn Easy Squeeze. This is on the smaller bottle, priced at $2.98, getting back 2 on Ibotta, makes that 98 cents. I went ahead and grabbed 1 for Walmart Rewards as well. And they also have this one right here on clearance for $3.50. So after rebate, it would make that $1.50. Okay, really quick, you guys, they have this one right here for $2. They don't have any, but this is what it looks like if you have it in your area. It's called the Fresh Mountain Breeze one for only $2. I didn't see any up there because I probably would have got some, because scent beads, any kind of scent booster, sells really good for me. And so yeah. All right, the next deal is on the Febreze Carbon. It's on the single one right here. It's priced at $3.24, getting back $2.30 on Ibotta makes that only 94 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit a dub. I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal. I actually buy this one. I literally just flipping bought one. Was it last month? Full price because there was no coupon or no nothing. So when I saw this deal, I was like, okay, definitely have to grab this deal. It's only got to be. I'm gonna grab the ultra glued, price at $5.98. For this, you're gonna grab two of them. You'll pay $11.96. You'll get back 6 on Swagbucks, 3 on Checkout 51. Now that one does say few left, so I would do that one sooner than later. Bringing these down to only $8.48 each. This next deal is on the Crest mouthwash. This offer popped back up on Ibotta. It's $4 back when you buy 2. Now I did it yesterday for Ibotta, and then this morning it finally popped up on Walmart Rewards, so I'm gonna do it there today. So grabbing 2 at $2.12, you'll pay $4.24. Getting back 4 on Ibotta will make them only 12 cents each. Oh my gosh, I didn't broke the damn thing. I don't know how the heck to get it back on there, y'all, but listen. I'm gonna be grabbing the Old Spice deodorant. Again, it's priced at $154. Getting back $2 on Ibotta makes that a 46-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2. And so yeah, I fix it. Ooh, I was sitting here trying to figure it out. Like, I'm gonna figure this out. How much time I was spending here? I should know how to fix it. All right, so one of you guys let me know about this deal. I'm gonna but I'm gonna insert a screenshot. The soft soap deal, that's for Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Ta-da. It's this one that's pictured, the larger bottle, but it is working on these. I scanned them. Both scents are working for me. So they're priced on rollback for $106. You'll grab 2, pay $2.12, get back $3 on Swagbucks, making them an 88-cent moneymaker. Of course, we're going to grab 4 of them on separate transactions, making them all an awesome little moneymaker. So big shout out to you that shared this deal. So this next deal that I grabbed again is on the soft soap body wash. Now these are regularly priced at $5.22 on rollback for $4.17. So you'll pay $8.34, getting back $3 on Swagbucks and $4 for Walmart rewards. I'm making these only 57 cents each. Now, when I grabbed them yesterday, they did scan for regular price, so the cashier price modified them for me. But when I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, I think it was Swagbucks, I actually still got credit for like buying 4 of them. So I got back an extra $3, making them both free plus $1.76 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Jukebox. These are like, I guess, natural bars of soap. They are priced at $6.98. I'm not going to do this deal, but I thought I'd share it with you guys. So for this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $13.96. You'll get back $6.98 through aisles, and then you'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, bringing these down to $2.49 each. Okay, so we're at Target. I'm going to do this deal. It's on the Huggies wipes. They're priced at $6.79. We have a $3 digital. You'll pay $3.79. Get back 3 on Ibotta. Makes it only 79 cents for 112 wipes. I'm sold. All right, so the next thing I'm going to be grabbing is on these skinny dipped almonds. They are shelf price for $5.29, but the online price is $4.99. So we'll see what happens at the checkout. So for this, you're going to grab 1 of them. If I can price match online price for $4.99, I will be getting back $1.25 on Ibotta and then $2.54 in aisles offer, making this $1.24. All right, guys, so the last deal that I'm gonna grab is on the Heaven's Kitchen. I've had this offer on my social nature for a free one for a minute now, and I'm barely getting around to doing it. Now, there's also a buy one, get one free offer for aisles as well. I'll have a link for in the description. So for this, you're gonna grab 2 of them, priced at $6.99, and that total is gonna come to $13.98, getting back $6.99 through aisles and $6.99 through social nature, making them both absolutely free. So this deal here we did in our last video on the SunSip. These are priced at $2.49. Now, this offer is on aisles, making it free, but it did pop up on Ibotta for 50 cents back. So I submitted my receipt for my last haul, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, this next deal I got here the other day, and now I don't see it. It is on the De Sol. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is a social nature offer. It was priced at $4.99, getting that back, making it absolutely free. It's on this new for you section, but I didn't see it. But I did see something else I have an offer for. And it's on the hop water, which is priced at 2 for $5. are $2.50 each. So you're gonna grab one of those, getting that back through aisles.
Finally
Make it
restocked
absolutely
on
free.
the
Uncle Matt's organic orange juice. This is a Flavor Wiki deal. So you're gonna grab one at $7.99, getting $8 back through Flavor Wiki, making this absolutely free. Last but not least is the Summerly, priced at $6.99. This is a free offer on aisles, making this absolutely free. You can try the caramel almond brittle. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This worked out pretty awesome. I didn't mention CVS. I did the International Delight there because that's the only place I could find it. It was priced at $3.29, got back $2.68 on Ibotta. I think it made that like 31 cents. And then I did the Crest because I had a Care Pass that was expiring, and so these were $3.94 each. There's a $3 off of 2 digital. Basically, you pay $4.88, get back $4, and so it made those 44 cents each. Now, really quick with the Pinkie Tween and Teen, I did 2 sets. The second receipt didn't go through, so I had to text support. So I'm waiting to hear back from them on that. But if I don't get that, best believe it's going back. I'll let y'all know how that works out. But I did get the $8.98 for the first set. With the Crest, both of them did work. One for Walmart Rewards, one for Ibotta. And one thing I wanted to mention, the soft soap, I did that deal for Walmart Rewards and it didn't go straight through. However, it did take an hour and a half to go through, but it did eventually go through, which I was excited for because I was, you know, I'm always on guard. I'm always ready to take something back if it don't work out. And then that's what you can do. All right? If it work out, awesome. Magnificent. Beautiful. But if it don't work out, then it's just going to go back. As simple as that. And so, but yeah, that's the longest that it's ever taken, an hour and a half to process, but it did process for me. The Uncle Matt's orange juice, this orange juice is actually really good. I was like, ooh, it's like $8 though. Like who the hell is trying to pay $8 for some flipping orange juice? Not me. But, and one thing real quick I'm gonna mention. With the orange juice, I didn't actually click on that offer. I think it actually listed like 3 or 4 different stores. One was like Whole Foods, but it did not list Sprouts. And so I was just like, damn. And I already had tasted it by then. It was too late. What am I gonna do? Take it back and say I don't like the way it tastes? It don't taste like it's organic enough. Are you sure it's really organic? No, but I went ahead and submitted. I said, you know what? I'm just going to take a chance. I'm going to submit it anyways and see what happened. And I actually got back the $8 for that. So I was like, awesomeness. I want to say like 7 of you guys used my link for the orange juice on Flavor Wiki. So I did include that as well in this. The soft soap, it went through for all 4 apps. And that was an awesome deal. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think that deal can be done. Is it once a week? I want to say. So we'll see what happens. I'll see what happens when it resets again. If it resets again. The Old Spice, it never popped up for Walmart Rewards. If it does, I'll do it there. And I think that's basically it for this haul as far as anything I want to mention. All right, so everything that you see here retails $162.04. I had $11 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $151.04. My sales tax for this was $6.39. And then walking away with $37.94 from aisles, $37.88 from Ibotta. Now, I am including the $4 for those extra bonuses, but those should take like 2 days, all right? And I'll keep you guys posted as to when I get that, but it said it should take 2 days. Walmart Rewards is $19, and everything went through for this trip. Flavor Wiki was $15. My Points was $12.83. Swagbucks was $12. Social Nature is $11.98. Inbox dollars and Tada were both $6. $4 in extra Care Bucks, $3 from Brand Club, and last but not least was $3 for Checkoff 51.
So we walk away with a total of $168.63 back in rebates and extra care bucks, making everything you see here, y'all, free plus $17.59. So this was a really awesome haul. Other than that, if you make it to the end of this video, I want to see a bird. I don't know, that's so random. No, flower. All right, let's see a flower in the comments if you make it to the end of the video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. OMG, you guys, I forgot to put the yogurt on the table, and I am not doing another take. I swear I'm not going to. I did do the Oikos. I don't think I did it mention in the video, but I did this deal again because I'm down to like 2 more left, so I figured why not. Same deal, y'all. All right, they end up being $1.14. All right, so I grabbed 5 of them. And so, yeah, other than that, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.